Go ahead. Let's go see. This way. He went this way.
Santa's a nice guy. I guess we'll call Santa and he'll come pick him back up. You want him to come back and pick him up?
Look, come see what Santa got you.
Your presents? You want him to pick your presents up? Take him back to the North Pole? What's that? What is that? What is that, Callie? What's this thing?
Go around the other
What
side.
is it? A kitchen. Did you ask for a kitchen?
What else do you see that you asked for?
That's your scanner.
What else is over there? I see something pink over there Santa brought. What is it? No, pay attention.
Pick it up. What is it? A what? Umbrella? Did you ask for an umbrella too? Alright.
Beautiful. Oh dear.
We might use it today. It's raining.
Do you say anything to Santa?
You want to tell Santa anything? What do you want to tell him? Okay.
If Santa got you all this stuff, what do you tell him?
Here. What do you want to tell Santa? What? Can you pause that there?